course, last Thursday we could not have seen, what would have displaced Nvidia, but now very clearly see that this story is very fragile.
Even with the drawdown, people have still made a lot of money on Nvidia.
Tons. They're going to give back a lot more. So this is the beginning.
A beginning of what?
Beginning of an adjustment of people to reality, because now they realize now it's no longer flawless. You have a small little chip on the glass. Now they realize, oh, it's not infallible. Oh, maybe I should revise. Let me repeat a story I often talk about. If you were in 1999, 98, 99, trying to invest in the future of the internet, you would have invested in Alta Vista. And then Google came out of nowhere and displaced Alta Vista.
Do you think the DeepSeek moment for Nvidia is a gray swan? Or even a black swan?
All of them. All of technology is a gray swan in the sense that they have, people underestimate how much deviation you can have in a single day. And this 17%, even if without the story, without knowing anything, is not out of line with the statistical structure of these.
Do you think that there could be another drawdown of this type?
Or much bigger, or 2-3 times bigger even. It's absolutely in line with what you can expect. I mean, think about it. Something goes from 1 to 10, goes back to 9, people freak out, right?
Does it show the fragility of market structure? Too much
It shows the
concentration
fragility of the wealth formation based on a very small number of stocks causing it. Okay, how much of wealth formation came from Nvidia? 3 trillion capitalization. A lot of it is recent. Okay, so it shows us how much the whole economic structure is fragile because of that.